VD do that. Hey, sir, I've completed my master in statistical. Can you give me a path to becoming a data scientist? How can I prepare myself for a data scientist post? Excuse me. I would give you a very similar advice to what I just gave to the previous answer to Real Slim Shadi. Start doing the work. If you've gotten to the point where you have the academics, you have all the training down, then great. Start doing something with it. Start actually doing the practice of being a data scientist. There's plenty of free frameworks out there to use. I've already given some. You cannot go wrong learning Keras because Keras will teach you about that framework and it'll also teach you about neural networks. You can't go wrong with understanding things like I said, Prophet. Understanding that, understanding PySpark, understanding PyTorch. Start working. Start coming up with your own code. Start putting things together in a way that feels a little bit more professional to you. Don't do it with a tutorial. Just sit there by yourself and say, hey, I could probably find some sports data or some economic data or something else, or even just some images. I know I can use Keras to create a neural network. So how would I create a neural network to do this? And then start coding it, right? I think that's one of the best ways for you to learn and just kind of get into that practice. Or like the previous example I used earlier about I started writing for my own blog when I wanted to make the move.